What's up? 5 a.m.
Greetings Earthlings, it's day 5. We're just leaving Mount Laguna. We stayed at the lodge overnight. We're going to spend the next 3 days hiking to Julian. I think it's 37 miles. We're going to have 3 camps. Still just taking it easy, 12-mile days ish. Me and Tom hiking together again. So yeah, I'm going to catch the highlights, catch the campsites, fill you in all the drama, and there is some major drama. I've punctured my sleeper mat. Oh dear. Anyway, I'll take some vid, catch you later. Greetings Earthlings. End of day 5. What an amazing day again. We spent the whole day coming out of Laguna through the pine woods and then hiked around the edge of Cottonwood Canyon. I think it was Cottonwood Canyon. Just so spectacular. And now we've just got this amazing camp spot that looks over the valley. I'll give you a little spin round. Quite a few people camped out here tonight, maybe 5 or 6, all dotted around in these boulders and in the scrub. We're cowboy camping tonight because we predicted some high winds at the top up here. Anything can happen. I'll show you our little spot now actually. This is our home for the night. High winds predicted. We'll let you know what happens in the morning.